New Honda Amaze is set to be launched in India on 4th Dec 2024. It will take on the new Maruti Dzire with 5-star safety cath. The upcoming 2025 Honda Amaze is set to make waves as it gears up for its launch on December 4th, 2024. Positioned to rival the new Maruti Dzire launching today, the Amaze and Dzire represent the top two contenders in the compact sedan segment in India. This battle between the two heavyweights promises to intensify competition and push innovation in this category. 2025 Honda Amaze Renders. The 2025 Honda Amaze presents a bold evolution in design, and our exclusive digital renders capture its modern essence in multiple color options. Based on the official sketch released by Honda Cars India, these renders showcase the Amaze's striking new front profile that promises to turn heads. New Honda Amaze Official Sketch 2025 Honda Amaze Render. At the forefront of its revamped design is the new front fascia. The grille has been reimagined with a hexagonal pattern that echoes global Honda design cues, akin to the latest Accord. Flanking this grille are the new, sleeker LED projector headlights, equipped with repositioned LED DRLs that lend the Amaze an upscale, confident look. The lower bumper integrates C-shaped accents, further emphasizing the car's sporty stance. The sculpted bonnet with pronounced creases gives the sedan a muscular appearance, setting it apart in the sub-4-meter sedan space. The sharp lines and modern detailing suggest that Honda aims to position the Amaze as a sophisticated yet youthful option for buyers who prioritize aesthetics and performance. 2025 Honda Amaze Render. Built on a modified Honda City platform, the Amaze benefits from shared components that ensure structural robustness. Interior upgrades are significant, featuring a dashboard with a larger, freestanding touchscreen infotainment system and a semi-digital instrument cluster inspired by the Elevate SUV. Speaking about the engine, it will continue with Honda's trusted 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine, which delivers 90 horsepower and 110 newton-meters of torque, available with either a 5-speed manual or a CVT. 2025 Honda Amaze render competitive edge against the new Maruti Dzire. The new Maruti Dzire has raised the bar by achieving a 5-star safety rating, a benchmark that sets high expectations for the Amaze. While the Dzire boasts its strong safety credentials, the spotlight is on the new Amaze to see how it matches up in terms of crash safety ratings. With 6 airbags and 3-point ELR seatbelts standard across variants, Honda is emphasizing safety, but it remains to be seen how the Amaze fares in global NCAP safety tests. 2025 Honda Amaze Render. With the new design, the Amaze is set to go head-to-head with the newly launched Maruti Dzire. While the Dzire has already grabbed attention with its upgraded safety and features, the new Amaze, with its sharp styling and enhanced front-end detailing, aims to be a strong contender.